Hey my positive vibers. So today we're doing a Popeyes mukbang. In here I have red beans and rice. And I've never had their red beans and rice before. And then 3 chicken tenders, spicy. Of course they have the biscuit in here. And then I have black and ranch sauce. And then a diet to drink. So today we're just going to touch base on, we're going to do a little icebreaker stuff today. Sorry, my hair is blowing because it's hot. We're in Florida. Oh yeah, speaking of being in Florida, let me tell you, this weather this weekend was phenomenal. It was 75 to 80 degrees this weekend. Literally 0 clouds in the whole sky. So Saturday we went to a big old flea market, had a great time, went out to eat, and then Sunday really just chilled. Sunday for us is pretty much like a cleaning day. That's the best sauce I got. So yeah, Sunday's a cleaning day for us and a chilling day. Took my car and got it, I detailed it myself. Cleaned the inside and out, took it through the washer. So, but one thing is spring break's is over now. So we'll be able to go to the beach. So I'll be super excited to be able to tape eating at like restaurants by the beach. It's gonna be great. So hopefully come April we'll be able to hit the beach up a little bit more. And then try some seafood and stuff because I cannot eat that on lunch. Speaking of lunch, thank you for joining me for whatever meal you're doing right now, if you're eating. Red beans and rice are okay. So I got some hot sauce though. Today it is pretty hot. I want to say 83 degrees right now. About 1:42 in the afternoon. But it's so gorgeous. I just love this weather down here. It just puts you in a better mood when you walk out of your job if it's stressful into like sunshine, and just gives you those positive vibes. It's great. Alright. So I wrote down a few little icebreaker questions. First question is, have you ever met a celebrity? And in my case, yes I have. And it's just funny. So in high school, and when I was a senior, I was in a business class. And we went on a field trip to the airport. Up in Cincinnati. And back in those days, I was listening to like R&B, hip hop, rap, and all that. That was a big class. We probably had like 30 of them. I don't know if it was both the classes, but we had a lot of people. I'd say about 30 people. We was walking through the airport. All of a sudden people go crazy. Like, what's going on? All of a sudden you see Master P and all his entourage and people. So of course, we got a big old picture. I still have it to this day. The teacher took a picture of all of us with him. Not that my teacher knew what was going on. But we got a picture with him. We got autographs. So that was cool. I think that was the only time I met a celebrity. I want to say we were at P.F. Chang's in Norwood, Cincinnati. I swear I seen Shaquille O'Neal walked out. But 100% with that one. What I want to say. But for sure, Master P. And I have his picture. All of our pictures. So, it's probably the only time I met a celebrity. Down here in Florida, living close to Tampa, we probably meet a lot of baseball players. Maybe that'll happen one day. Because like right now, they have the spring training with like all the big top dogs and major league people. Alright, the second question is, are you a morning person or a night person? 100,000% a morning person. I usually get up around 6 o'clock in the morning. Even on the weekends, I'll be up at like at the latest 7. I don't usually try to sleep in that long, because I love getting up. Now, I'm not a people person that early in the morning. Like, don't come talk to me like I'm that kind of a morning person, but I'm my most productive in the morning time, we'll say that. I enjoy, the house needs to be clean, we'll get the house cleaned up. Oh no, got some honey. I just love the morning. Like, I'm not a night person at all. I hate being out late. Like, if I'm not in bed by like 9 o'clock, there's a problem. So yeah, I don't feel like there's nothing to really do at nighttime. So I like to get up, get motivated, clean the house, or get prepared to go to the beach, or do something, and not be out and be home at a specific time at night, because I don't do nighttime. Let's see. The next one is, do you have any past favorite movies? Yeah. So, I was born in 86 actually. And my favorite movies back in them days were Drop Dead Fred, Clueless, and Beetlejuice. Those were the top movies. Beetlejuice was the best. The absolute best. I don't think there's a classic that'd be better than Beetlejuice. And then Clueless, I don't know. I was obsessed with that movie. I literally watched that movie every day after school. I think I was in middle school. At that time, it was on VHS, so I watched it so much that it just broke. Like, the film in there just broke. So I was no longer watching Clueless. And it never came out on DVD, so I don't think. But Beetlejuice is definitely a classic. Drop Dead Fred, ultimate classic. I don't know if a lot of people know about Drop Dead Fred though, but it's awesome. Many scenes from that. And then of course, like, I was a Disney fanatic. I have all of the Disney shows from back in them days still on VHS. And I do enjoy watching the remakes of all of them. Like they come out with. It's pretty cool. Those are my favorite past ones. The next question is, have you ever rode a motorcycle? No. And I do not plan on riding a motorcycle. LOL. I sat on one when my uncle had it. I'm opening up another Blackened Ranch. Yeah, we were at a park and I just sat on the back of it. I think he might have went a little ways, but absolutely not. My boyfriend has one, an old school Harley Davidson. Couldn't remember. I don't remember what kind it was, but yeah. Too scary for me. Especially the way these folks down here drive. Oh, no, thank you. I don't even feel like it's safe driving in a car down here in Florida. But I can't remember what kind of motorcycle he has. He used to have a street glider. But this is like an old school. Or they don't make these ones anymore, I don't think. But no, I never really drove in a motorcycle. He knows I won't get on the back of his, even though it has a two-seater. My best friend used to do it with her boyfriend. Shit, it was the time of her life. The best thing she ever experienced, but because it's like very freeing. I'll be free in my car. Okay. What's your favorite Popeyes dip? I like Blackened Ranch and honey. I don't think I ever ate anything else. Might have to see about trying different kinds. Ooh, this honey's sticky. Alright, the next one is, are you better or do you feel better arriving to work late or leaving work early? Well, one fact about me, I hate being late. I hate missing work. I hate missing school. So I will never arrive late unless it's something. Got some honey on my biscuit. Unless there's a reason, like doctor appointment, but the best thing to do is to get out of work early, doctor's appointment or not. Especially down here. Well, last Friday I went out at the same time and the weather was perfect. I did not want to come back in. Just let me go home. But I'm a morning person too, so I'm most productive in the morning, so I'd rather go to work, do what I gotta do, and bounce. Be done for the day. Oh yeah. Looking forward to my nephew and my sister coming to Orlando next month. So, see about mukbanging something there. Mukbang. Sister's calling me right now. Oh yeah, I haven't seen him in forever. Last time I was in Ohio, the baby had COVID, so I wasn't able to see him. So, we'll see. I'm gonna get my hair done. I don't know why everybody hates Popeyes biscuits. They're good to me. Yeah, sweet taste to them. They're soft. Put some honey on it. Oh yeah, that's what's up. It's the last bite. So I ordered through the app. I got 3 chicken tenders, a side of red beans and rice, and a drink for like $6. Not bad at all. I hope you all had a great weekend. I hope you're having a wonderful Monday, because today is Monday. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you for enjoying a meal with me. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.